Hi everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how when dragging and zooming your photo, you can get it appropriately fit into the frame that LinkedIn provides. So I'm on the homepage currently. I'm going to go over to my profile picture here in the left corner. When I click on it, it will take me to my profile and I'm going to click on the profile picture again. As we sit here, I want you to look at a few things. First, my head is not touching the top of the frame. The top of my head is not cut off, but there's a little gap between the top of my head and the top of the frame. You can see enough of my background to add depth, but not have it be the focal point. My face is not taking up the majority of the frame, and I'm centered within the frame. This picture, I will admit, is a little bit too far zoomed out than I would recommend a job seeker's profile picture to be. There's a lot of my torso in the photo, and that's slightly different because I'm a business owner. So let's look at a different picture. When I go into Update Photo and I click Upload Photo, I'm going to pull in a different image. And you'll notice that when I upload it, it's okay. There's a bigger gap between my head and the frame that I like. There's a little bit more background and I'm not centered. So first and foremost, I'm going to zoom in one over on this right-hand corner. I'm going to go up to 1.1. That brings me in a little bit tighter to the frame. I'm then going to click on the picture and hold the click, and then I can drag any which way that I want. So I'm going to bring myself up a little bit closer to the top of that frame, and I'm going to center myself. And now I'm nice and close to the center of the photo. People can recognize who I am. My background is interesting but not inundating, and it's a nice professional look.